Ready to bring your imagination to life? Let's dive into Adobe Animate and get you animating in minutes. First, open Adobe Animate and create a new file. Choose your desired dimensions and frame rate, typically 24 frames per second for smooth animation. Now, let's familiarize ourselves with the essentials. The selection tool lets you move and resize objects. The brush tool allows you to draw freehand, and the oval tool creates perfect circles and ellipses. Try drawing a simple character on the stage using the brush tool. Don't worry about perfection, just focus on getting comfortable with the drawing process. The timeline is your animation's control center. To create movement, insert a new keyframe by right-clicking on a frame and selecting Insert Keyframe. Keyframes mark changes in your animation. Now, on that new keyframe, slightly alter your character's pose. This tiny change will create the illusion of movement when the frames are played in sequence. To help visualize your animation, enable onion skinning. This displays faint outlines of the previous and next frames, guiding your pose changes. Hit the play button at the top of the timeline to preview your animation. See your character come to life, however basic the animation is. Experiment with different interpolation techniques for smoother transitions. Classic tweens and shape tweens automatically fill in the frames between your key poses. You've now got the basics. Explore different animation styles, from character animation to motion graphics, and unleash your creative potential. Keep practicing, keep experimenting, and keep animating. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more beginner tutorials. Happy animating!